Hi there, my name is Christian Fredriksson. I'm the CEO of F-Secure. I actually think a lot about cybersecurity and advanced attacks and what would be the impact on us as a company, on the brand, on the image, and even financially. What damage could be done? And do I understand enough of what do we need to protect? I'm sure you are in a leadership position thinking about that as well. To help you understand, we have created a series of books for you to learn from when it comes to the advanced attacks. Now, the first ebook is about real-life cases about how it looks from the inside a company when an attack has happened. We see that all the time in our work, and we have gathered some of the cases for you to see what impact it has on extra workload, hassle, even panic inside a company, which all takes a lot of management time as well. It is important and good to understand what it means when you are under attack. The second book is going to look at what CISOs are doing or are planning to do in their companies from many of our cases across Europe. This is important for you to understand what your peers are doing in this industry. And then you get a view of what you might be able or should be looking at. This is important for you to listen and read. And the third one is very simply, what do you need to do? What are the 5 key topics that we from F-Secure, from so many cases, have learned and seen that are the key topics that you need to address? The 5 lessons learned, absolutely crucial for you to understand. I hope you enjoy, and I'm sure you will enjoy. Bye now.